Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel ROHIT Tech. Today in this video I am going to show you how to update macOS Ventura 13.3.0 to 13.3.1. Go to About This Mac. This is our macOS Ventura 13.3. Now I am going to update this version. Let's close on it. Now I am going to download macOS 13.3.1 Full Installer Package Assistant. Open web browser. Go to google.com. Type in Google search bar mytechnicalbuzz.blogspot.com. Press enter. Let's click on first link My Technical Buzz. Here it is provide two links, both link tested and working. Now I am going to select second link. Wait for 15 seconds. Click on verify. Let's drop down to end. Click on continue. Wait for 15 seconds. Click on verify. Let's drop down to end. Click on continue. Now again wait for 15 seconds. Click on verify. Let's drop down to end. Click on continue. Click on get link. Now the downloading is started. It is 11.78 GB package. Now I am going to stop this downloading, because I have already downloaded this package. Let's close web browser. Click on Finder. Click Downloads. Here it is our Ventura 13.3.1 Full Installer Assistant package. Right-click on it. Open with Installer. Let's close Downloads. Click on Continue. Click on Continue. Click Install. Type here ROHIT Tech password. Click Install Software. The installation was successful. Click Close. Click on Launchpad. Click Install macOS Ventura. Now I am going to increase resolution on this Mac. Go to System Settings. Let's drop down little bit. Click Displays. Select resolution 1920 by 1200. Let's close on it. Click on Continue. Click Agree. Click Agree again. Click Continue again. Type here ROHIT Tech password. Click Unlock. It will take a long time to macOS updation process. Click Restart. In this updation process your macOS restart several of times, no need to worry. Now log on as ROHIT Tech user. Now our macOS is log on. Now I am going to change our macOS screen resolution again. Now I am going to check our macOS Ventura version. As you can see, our macOS Ventura version 13.3.1. So viewers, in this video you can learn how to update Ventura 13.3 to 13.3.1.